press the bell icon to never miss an update from placement interviews.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Jain. I am currently pursuing my engineering from Delhi Technological University. I currently scored 99.15 percentile in my CAT examination 2017.
What was your preparation strategy?
So, now coming to my CAT preparation. My CAT preparation started with me around last year December 2016. I started with a coaching institute, Career Launcher. In the beginning, I didn't used to go to classes because I was busy in the fest team and all. I was the part of my sports fest team. So, I thought of giving my CAT this year and in a very relaxed manner. And I will go for CAT after my work ex, after getting a job here. But things happened and I got detained in my college exams. And I was not eligible for the college placements. So, the past year 2017, from July I thought that I have to get serious for CAT. I started following a simple strategy. The strategy was to give a number of tests and then analyze those tests and find my weakness and improve in the next test. So, my CAT preparation has been more or less based on test series. CL test series was really good for my preparation and I got a lot of help from my mentors over there as they taught me the strategy to give an exam, the calmness that you need for an exam like CAT. So CAT, I would say, is not a really tough exam. It is more about a mental game. It is more about getting smart, getting your strategy right and remaining calm.
Any tips and tricks that you'd like to share?
So my tips for you all will be that focus on test series and focus more on building your concepts good. There are 3 sections. For English, you just need a good reading speed. So I would recommend you all to read anything on a daily basis. Maybe it can be a novel, it can be newspapers or anything you like. For DILR section, I would recommend you all to be more logical. Solve some puzzles as a habit or maybe some crosswords. Just be logical and try to solve with more accuracy. And for quant section, I would just say that brush up your concepts from any book, maybe it can be Arun Sharma or it can be your coaching material, anything. And just give your best in the test because the real feel of the exam of the CAT will come from the test that you give. And I would also recommend you to analyze your test. Like giving test is not much important as much as the analysis is. Because if you give a test for 3 months, for 3 hours.
Sentence you can begin again.
Okay. So, let us take an example. If you give your test for 3 hours, it is really of no use if you don't analyze it. The real analysis is around of 4 hours. Like I used to spend my time 4 hours doing the analysis. Where is my weakness? Which questions should I have attempted? Which questions should I have not attempted? So, I would recommend you all to focus more on test series and learn from your weaknesses and correct them. So yeah, one more thing before you start your preparation for CAT. CAT is just not about a CAT because getting admission into an MBA college is also about your academics, your 10th score, your 12th score, your graduation score, your work experience and the kind of profile you bring to them. They are looking for an MBA aspirant, not someone who can just clear aptitude exam. So also pay attention to what your CATs are and go and get some mentorship from your seniors or maybe from your coaching institute. That will help you to prepare better and be ready for some shocking news after you give your CAT. Thank you.
So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also let us know if you like these videos and if you want to watch more of them. And suggest us topics in the comment section below. And also I'll be linking all the social media handles in the description. You can go there, follow us there. Drop a text if you want to be interviewed or if you know somebody who can be interviewed and would help others. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time.